Today everyone, may VIP guest tayo in our hotel, si Mr. Mendoza and Mr. Fernandez. Kailangan perfect ang lahat from their check-in until their check-out. First impressions are very important.
Ma'am, don't worry. Ako bahala mag-check-in. Pero ready ko na yung room nila.
Very good, Joe. Pero promise, focus lang ha. Okay lang mag-multitask. Pero VIP guest sila. Kailangan 100% attention.
Ako na bahala sa VIP room, ma'am.
Thanks, Miss Yana. Nakikita namin yung effort mo. Onting details lang, pero malaking impact siya sa guest.
Ma'am, AC, lights, elevator, check ko. Pero bakit ako na lagi tinatawag na sa maliliit na sira?
Jim, I know naman na minsan mahirap yung mga task na binibigay namin sa'yo. Pero bawat small task naman na binibigay namin, it makes a big difference in our hotel. Especially sa guest experience ng mga clients natin. Yung skills mo is important here in our team. Kaya galingan lang natin.
Ma'am, ako na bahala mag-assist sa mga guests.
Alright, team. Remember, kahit maliit o malaking task, it is very important. Teamwork at focus lang para maging smooth yung service natin at maging happy ang mga guests. Dating gawin, mag-usap-usap tayo sa isang channel para rinig ng lahat. Maliwanag? Okay, let's do this.
Bakit ang init ng aircon? Pinapapawisan na tuloy ako. Matawagan ko nga si Joe. Ay, di nga nagkama.
Joe Bryce, front office.
Joe, yung aircon sa VIP room hindi gumagana. Pakipix agad, please.
Got it, Yana. Sabihan ko lang agad yung maintenance department.
Bakit ako lagi? Maliit na bagay lang naman to
Maliit? We can't let them feel uncomfortable, lalo na't VIP sila.
Pero lagi nila ako tinatawag sa maliliit na sira Nakakapagod na.
Let me handle this. Jim, Joe is right. Small task may seem minor, pero part yan ng guest experience. I know na bago ka lang dito sa hotel, pero teamwork tayo dito. Ayusin natin together at magtulungan.
I understand, ma'am. Sorry po. Okay na, malamig na. Filter lang pala kailangan palitan. Tama si ma'am, inuuna ko reklamo bago ko i-check.
Okay na yun, Jim. Ang mahalaga ngayon, naiintindihan mo na. Salamat, Jim.
Everyone, the VIP guests arrived. I repeat, the VIP guests arrived. Good afternoon, Mr. Fernandez and Mr. Mendoza. Welcome to our hotel. Let me assist you.
O sige kayo na pogi, sige kayo na pogi. Basta sa'kin yung dating, sa'kin yung dating. Panis yung mga pogi, panis. Kahit paano to chideng. O sige kayo na pogi.
I already heard the good things about your hotel.
Good afternoon. We're expecting you both. Your room is ready, sirs. Enjoy your stay.
Wow! Everything's perfect. Thank you.
This way, sirs.
Nice work, everyone! See, kung lahat tayo engaged at aware, smooth ang magiging service ng ating hotel. Malaki ang impact ng bawat isa.
Everyone, thank you sa coordination.
I realize kahit na maliit na effort, malaking difference sa guest experience.
And getting the guests properly makes a difference too.
Tama! Teamwork talaga.
Exactly! Always remember, service goes beyond smiles. Kita nyo? Teamwork at focus lang. It is the key sa hospitality. Paano ba yan? Uwian na!